Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your Ashita from my channel Harshavin. Friends, as usual, today also in this video, I again came with a product review. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna review herb tonic products. I have 25 powders of herb tonic, which is useful for whitening, tan removal, and depigmentation. So these 25 trial packs are of different flavor. Guys, I gonna review one by one and I gonna give demo also at last, so please keep on watching. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe me. Then without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Guys, I have Deluxe trial packs which is featuring 25 herbal powders for face and body care. So friends, first I have is Multani Mitti powder or Fuller's Earth powder. This is for face and hair pack. Helpful for deep cleansing for your face, hairs and body. Suitable for both men and women. For radiant and refreshed glow. Coming to the next one, I have kaolin clay powder. This is for face pack and hair pack. This is an talcum free face pack. 100% natural, offering gentle yet effective benefits for skin, for radiant glow and luxurious face mask. So next one is bentonite clay powder. This is for face pack and hair pack. So guys, this versatile powder is suitable for all skin and hair types. This is ideal for both men and women. Elevate your self-care routine with this best product. So guys, the next one I have is this Muleti powder. This is for face pack and hair pack. Perfect for face packs, skin whitening glow and hair growth mask. So next one is the rice flour powder for face and body pack. Ideal for skin brightening, oil control and anti-aging. It leaves your skin smooth, radiant and perfect for face and body. So next one is this garbanzo bean flour. This is for face and body pack. It effectively removes dead skin cells and impurities, leaving your skin smooth and radiant. Next one is wild turmeric powder for face pack. As you know, turmeric powder is a perfect radiant beauty, very helpful for glowing skin. And the next one is this potato powder, suitable for face pack, helpful for skin whitening, acne reduction, spot reduction, dark circle reduction and for brighter skin. The next one I have is this rose clay powder for face and body pack, helpful for exfoliates and detoxifies the skin, leaving the skin refreshed and brightened. The next one is Masoor Dal powder for face and body pack. This helpful for skin texture. The next one is lemon peel powder for face pack. This is all-in-one solution for vibrant skin care. The next one is beetroot powder for face pack and hair pack. You can use this on your face, hairs, lips and skin. This pure beetroot powder gives you a radiant glow. The next one is rose petals powder for face pack and hairs, helpful for radiant glow. And the next one is Dead Sea mud powder for face pack and hair pack, helpful for deep detoxification of skin. Next one is mint leaf powder for face pack, helpful for cooling essence of mint and refresh for face. And the next one is bamboo charcoal powder for face and hair pack for glowing and radiant skin. And the next one is chocolate clay powder for smooth and clear skin. And the next one is orange peel powder for face and hair pack, with vitamin C, brightens the skin. And the next one is I have Upturn Haldi Chandan full body upturn powder for deep cleansing, brightening, skin purification. And the next one I have is French green clay This is for the face, ideal for face pack, scrubs, body cleansers. And the next one I have is pomegranate peel powder for face and hair pack. You can use this for body scrub and hair treatment. And next one is nude clay powder for face and body, helpful for scrubbing and spot treatment. And the next one is neem leaf powder for dark spot reduction. So guys, I'm choosing one that is rose petal powder and I'm applying on my skin. I'm taking with a certain amount. Then I gonna apply some amount of water to it and I gonna mix it well. So you can store this just like this and clipping it on. You can use the rubber band also to just to keep the powder fresh. So I gonna just clip it on. Now I gonna apply all over my skin. Then I gonna leave it for nearly 10 minutes. Let it dry. Later after 10 minutes I gonna wash my skin. You can take steam also. And I'm done now. These all products are 100% natural for glowing skin and vanish of any pimples, dark spots or pigmentation. Guys, you can watch my previous videos on my YouTube where I explained about HerbtoniQ products, and I think these products are best because 100% natural. And for me, especially multani mitti and beetroot powders are my favorite for my glowing skin. If I get pimples also, I definitely use this because of the natural thing. All the pimples will get vanish within the certain limit of time and also gives me a glowing skin. What I literally loved about this HerbtoniQ product is, instead of going and buying directly with a 120 or 150 gram bottle, HerbtoniQ giving a better idea to try this package, like try with the trial packets, and if you wish, then you can directly go with more than 100 grams, and that is the best part. You can try all the products, you can do a patch test on your skin. If it is suitable to your skin, then you can buy with more than 100 grams, and that is the best part. And you will get a many option here. And guys, this product is also available on Amazon. In Amazon I got this product for 690 rupees. You can try with all the products, you can do a patch test, and if you love with any particular product, then you can go directly to the Amazon website or a HerbtoniQ website and buy the products directly with more than 100 or 120 grams. And also guys, in Amazon you can check with the reviews. It is the most trending product because most of the people love this brand. And also guys, not only with the skincare or a body care, HerbtoniQ also has a hair care products. You can also check my previous videos where I reviewed HerbtoniQ hair care products also. All also I already reviewed, just you can check out. And also you can check out in the Amazon website where there are HerbtoniQ skincare, body care and hair care products. Guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product links will be on my description. I think you must definitely try if you have acne, pigmentation, and if you want a fair or glow skin, then guys do try it. And that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.